ko na wako de na ni akohu de na me de kire woni nyina no kwaku ochre edi kind by and Erasmus footage ya ba later ikra de it is a close range something that is giving you the clear image of what is clear view of what is happening and a kire will say men can say Galamsey akuye wie ai san mekan Galamsey akuye wie because since you are here num nyina ye say bibia ye say dia e was sembo ne po asomai and I still want to tell John Dramani Mahama say obi catch us say Galamsey kofema whether any minister or any appointee is actually telling you say kofema that person is deceiving you. That's my words to you. Kwabra betuna say Nhyira FM Machin
Kofi ye na
bibia boko de
adom na wonso e
adom ne mpai boy ho ye
Kofi buafu
just say
bubafu
no normally be wa ho
bubafu
it me sure you see like Bosomtwe nya ba bi ketwas out
yes Kofi
recognized worldwide say
wo hwe say ubronika say Ghana's only natural lake.
Yeah.
Yeah, itimi du hwa ye ho. Na ema amanfo free won kuro so eba hwe.
Yeah.
Ye ko school, ye sua ho asem, a natural lake Bosomtwe. Na ye de hwa ye ho. Me kra for a long time na me nko hoda. E da me dru ho na me say wow.
Yeah.
Now onim this asem a okay. Me kai say on another platform ye di nkomo. Or can said be sanko so. And I am glad this morning with the footages video now.
Yeah.
Yensakano.
Yeah.
I am many papa. Now you can't deny it. Echere say unim. But akwa to say wadane ho so. Enko bebia. You said it. The president said say ojitum say no one nkofo no be involved. And so we asked the president and then no they are in nkofo no one say omo involved in Galamsey no. The back stops with the president. It stops with the leadership. And the president, as I know you, what do you mean say we are nyamisoni? What can say obey resetting na obey a reset agenda. And the niema boni e course so niema wanye ni ye kaneno uba be ni ye. So what has happened, Your Excellency? What e den esi ukwan and amanfo na e gage o. Ma ye hunu ni ye hunu e be ye. Because we can't understand this. Around Lake Bosomtwe, our only heritage back wakawa a chrome has say. I did what I home. Said they walk on when there's a landslide. Say assassin will so a criminal say a jirigua, big dream never goes. And then ye win. A day party air home. Okay, I must say, oh, if I'm a good idea, the intimate see into Yenka Sama Moon too, but you say, quite more fast to no. And I end it. I do wear a course with Gofi. I canina nanke qua corner and Kagana your home mobile say. All footage and drone footage, no.
Yeah.
Around the country, na Galamsey did do na. And I say, and Sassy to crank. And she said, Banner said, and conform to say and so. Na yesi edwane a anasa asrafo se wo mo esusu air counter and already our people are suffering so fate no we so ba akwada hwe na chi okwa sensuo no oto amnam twawo no awu na ya fa say normal hey oh my Ghana
seriously
Your Excellency you are our only hope una okasa una edi ani ato so say okasa Ghana for better because 2 million na ya odia you are the commander of the Ghana Armed Forces.
Right.
Your Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Yes, Rao. Yepa chow. Yenim Sassikandia or see a pe. Now so ye that chain. Young Kwahu here. Apart from Ansasia a polluted, Ninsu a polluted. Yakasa Yanghenia in the next 20 years. You're very important, so no. And then I assassin and a chronicle air time. Where you drone footage now air time. Oh my Ghana, Kanenu Chanan can ye green. They say ucha air time cry.
Very, very sad.
Coffee.
Governor, is it a drew baby cry with the uncle? Because, yeah, can't. Now, no, Kaiser. image bi ba ya no de mampani picture no mo de galamsey inside na to
yes
yehu de ba kromu
you see
say adena Joy News for a publisher such a picture media houses publish say they were attacking them edientia
it we dey na wo kafa wo kafa
wo na say wo hwe saade we no eden na wo kafa ho
den na wo kafa ho eya wo fe
but yentie His Excellency John Dramani Mahama kakra on the terms in office near na I have a little to say na mama okwan so abem eba isia tie no
yeah back change